Hello YouTube friends. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Please subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you get the latest video updates. Featured in an unprecedentedly long teaser campaign, the 2022 Tundra is back in yet another official preview showing the rugged TRD Pro trim level. Toyota goes inside its revamped full-size pickup to give us an idea about what sort of technology off-road enthusiasts will be able to use with the next generation model. The rotary dial is surrounded by 4 buttons: MTS, Multi-Terrain Select, DAC, Downhill Assist Control, Crawl, Tow, Haul. It holds the lower gears longer for more pulling power, and the self-explanatory drive mode. Toyota's short teaser clip also reveals the fairly large wireless charging pad along with a red perforated leather upholstery with TRD Pro stitching on the backrests. The video is interesting for another reason, as it briefly shows what seems to be the fully digital instrument cluster. Toyota wants us to check out what happens on the screen when DAC crawl is activated, but look slightly lower and you can observe the 2022 Tundra's side profile almost in full. We took a screenshot to make the truck silhouette easier to see in its TRD Pro guise with the Crew Max body style and bulging wheel arches. Technical specifications are still shrouded in mystery, although we do know the new Ford F-150 rival will feature an iForce Max engine, presumably the twin-turbo V6 from the latest Land Cruiser. The 3.5-liter engine makes 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet, 650 newton-meters, in the body-on-frame SUV from which the new Tundra is expected to inherit the TNGA-F platform and a 10-speed automatic transmission. This new engine could replace the naturally aspirated 5.7-liter V8 by combining more power with better fuel efficiency. Based on previous teasers released by Toyota in the last few weeks, the 2022 Tundra will get an imposing front-end design and an electrically retractable rear window. The dashboard will be overhauled by accommodating a wide tablet-like touchscreen in the center console. Spy shots, see related link above, have revealed lesser versions will make do with a smaller infotainment, neatly integrated into the dashboard and flanked by air vents. Based on Toyota's dedicated page for 2022 Tundra teasers, 3 additional previews are programmed in the near future. It can only mean the official reveal will take a little longer, so these images and our own spy shots will have to suffice for now.